Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today I will be showing you guys how to make a full lace frontal wig. This is something new that we're doing on my channel, so I hope you guys really enjoy it. This is for beginners. This is beginner friendly because I still consider myself as a beginner, but this is going to be for my rookies, beginner friendly. Like, I tried to make this video as easy as possible, so I hope you guys find it really informative and you enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come over and join the family. I've made a goal to hit 10K, guys, and hopefully you guys can help me out. I would really appreciate it. To all of my day one ride or die angels, you guys know I love you so much. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to lay down your frontal and you need to pin it down. And this is probably the hardest part that you'll have to do. You need to make sure the front of this lace frontal is correct. So make sure it's laid down as you see, and you want it to be like a ½ inch to an inch away from your cap in the front. Then we're just going to begin sewing. You're going to sew just like you would sew anything else. You want to go right through and you want to pull that thread through, and you want to wrap that thread right around the needle, and you just want to pull it through. So you just keep going through and you wrap the thread around 1-2 times, and then you pull it through. You just want to keep doing that. Make sure you concentrate on those ends, those edges, just because you want to make sure those ends are very secure before you start working your way through the track or whatever it is that you're sewing. Just make sure the ends are secure. And this is pretty redundant, so you're going to see me just continue to sew across this lace frontal. So I'm going to let you guys watch now, and then I'm going to come back when I need to tell you guys something else. Okay, so I'm just showing you here that everything is sewed down, and you want to sew down one side at a time. So first you see me sew that whole what was that, the left side, and then I turned it around and I'm sewing the other side. So I work my way over from one side, then I work my way to the middle, then I work my way over to the other side. So continue to watch. Okay, so at this point, you guys see me grabbing the first bundle, and I'm going to be starting right off at the nape of this cap, and I'm measuring it out as you guys can see now, and I'm going to be seeing where it meets that frontal, and then I'm going to cut it. And then we're going to take our T-pins and we're going to pin it down so that this track is not moving while we're sewing. And then once we secure it with the T-pins, we're going to start sewing it the same way from left to right or right to left. It's up to you, but make sure you secure those ends really good first. And then we're going to work our way across the track. Remember when we did it for life? Just noticing all these things got me trimming a knife. Always sounds a new thing, like riding a bike. Let's do things in one sitting, but I don't feel like selling for the time being. When I was young, I used to dream about the palm trees. After the summer achievements, I got a long sleeve. Supposedly, think about it. In reality, you running out of options. Starting to see the coffin with the Bible preach. I'm way ahead on private beach. My hair bleached on the cover of a magazine. I got the flavor doing pictures on the coca bean. Doing all the things you can't imagine what it might be. I come and go like a round. You don't want it to be going nah, nah, nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The ruins in my lab, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm coming go like a round. Putting in a word like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, working in the mold like I'm running from the pole. Yeah, we at the spot, they be stunning now. They don't see the bigger picture, we be cutting out. Always saying it's the man that I'm becoming. He gon' take a new edition and it twisted like a plumbing now. Yeah, I'm out here watching all the phony ones. Yeah, and they be thinking about my own ones. Okay, so at this point, you guys didn't see me add another track on, but all I'm going to continue to do at this point is keep adding those tracks on and going from frontal to frontal with that track. You want to make sure that track meets the front, like the base of that frontal right there on the left, and then the base of that frontal on the right. Just keep doing it and cut the track. and you just want to continue to sew around. It's very, very simple. Okay, Angel, so we're moving into our second bundle, and I'm just showing you in the direction that we're going. You're just going to keep following that head shape around. You're going to keep pinning it with the T-pins so that the track is not moving while you're sewing. And you're just going to sew that track from the base of the left to the base of the right of the frontal. And like I said, make sure you secure the end so that it's nice and secure and your tracks is not lifting or moving. You want to make sure those tracks are nice and flat. As you guys can see, I have the front of that frontal braided down. That is optional. You could pull that up into a bun, whatever it is that you like. I braid it down because it's just easier to work around it. So you see me just sewing these tracks, go right up and over, wrap the thread around the needle and pull it through. Another thing to mention is that you want to make sure when you're sewing through the cap that you're not going through any of the elastic bands or anything. You just want to make sure you just poke through the cap just, I guess, lightly. So at this point, you guys can see how much of the crown is left. And now I'm going to start taking these tracks vertical. So I'm measuring it and then I'm cutting it and then I'm just going to sew it across. And I'm going to let you guys watch me do this for now. So keep repeating this step and work that track all the way up to the front. Now the wig is complete. I'm showing you guys a full 360 view of how it looks. All the tracks is covered, no tracks is showing, everything is nice and perfect. So you want to take that wig and you want to turn it inside out. So this is what it should look like. And now this is the excess elastic band that's left over, that was like right underneath the lace. You want to cut that elastic band off, and we're actually going to be using that to do the elastic band method. So don't get rid of it, guys, but just keep it. And this is what the wig looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I hope you guys found this video very informative, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.
Back with the money in the bag, the Ruby's in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round.